Hi students, in today's session I am going to explain the thermodynamics evaluation problem. So this is problem number 66. Okay, let us see the problem. So here, when one pentine A is treated with 4-normality alcoholic KOH at 175 degrees Celsius, it is converted slowly into an equilibrium mixture of 1.3% 1 pentine, that is A, and 95.2% 2 pentine, that is B, and 3.5% of 1,2 pentadiene, that is C. The equilibrium was maintained at 175 degrees Celsius. Calculate del G naught for the following equilibria. So here two equilibria is given. One is B gives A, so that is reversible process, and another one is B gives C, so this is also reversible process. Del G1 naught is not given, and del G2 naught also not given. Okay, let us see the solution. Okay, first what is given in the question? Temperature is given, that is 175 degrees Celsius. So temperature is equal to 175 degrees Celsius. So here degree Celsius is converted into Kelvin. So we converted into Kelvin means add by 273. So 175 plus 273. So what we get? We get 448 Kelvin. So 448 Kelvin. So first step is over. And then what is given in the question? Active mass of A, that is concentration of 1 pentine. Okay, so concentration of 1 pentane, so this is A. So concentration represents square bracket, that is active mass. So here this is compound A, so active mass of A is equal to, what is percentage is given? So that is 1.3%. So 1.3%. And next one is concentration of 2 pentane. That is B. So here active mass of B. The value for active mass of B is 95.2%. And the next compound is C. So that is concentration of 1,2 pentadiene. So that is C. So active mass of C. So active mass of C value is 3.5%. So 3.5%. So and then equilibrium. So equilibrium means B gives A and B gives. So first we see B gives A. Okay. At equilibrium, B gives A. So what is percentage for B? So B percentage is 95.2. And then A percentage. So A percentage is 1.3%. So here K represents equilibrium constant. So here two equilibrium is given. One is 1 and another one is 2. So K1. So K1 is equal to first product and then denominator is a reactant. So here product is A. So that is 1.3% divided by 95. So now you take number and log. Number. So here 1.3, next one 95.3. So before the point only one digit means 0.13. So what is the answer? 13 1139. And next one 95. So 95 means 1.952. What is the answer? 9786. So subtract this one, 3, 13 minus 5, 5. So here 3 minus 7, 3, 10 minus 9, 1. So here 1 bar minus 1, 2 bar. So now you take anti-log. So anti-log 0.1351. So what we get? So we get 1366. So here 2 bar is present. So 0.0. 2 bar means 0.0. 1366. So K, equilibrium constant 1 value is 0.01366. So this is first one. And next one is equilibrium constant 2. That is B gives C. What is the value for B? B value is 95.2. And then C value is 3.5. So here K2, that is 3.5 divided by 95. So now you take number and log. So number is 3.5 and 95.2. So here only one digit is present. Only one digit present means 0 point. So here 2 digit is present. So 1 point. So 35 0. So 35 0, 0.5441. And 95 2, 9786. So subtract this one. 11 minus 6, 5. 13 minus 8, 5. 13 minus 7, that is 6. So here 14 minus 9, 5. So here 2 bar. So 2 bar 0.5655. So take anti-log. So anti-log is 0.0367. 367. 8 is formed. So here 2 bar. So 0.0. After the point, 4 digit is enough. So 3. So here the answer is 0.036. And next one, formula. So del G1 not formula. Del G1 not formula. Minus 2.393 RT into log K. So apply these values here. So first one minus 2.393 into R. So what is R values? R value is 8.314. So 8.314 into temperature. What is the temperature? 448 Kelvin. So into 448 into log into K1. So log, what is K1 value? K1 value is 0.01366. So 0.01366. Okay. So after that, del G naught. So that is 0. So here I have into log 0.01366. Del G1 naught is equal to. So here log 0.0136 value is 1.8665. So here like this 2.303 into 8.314 into 448 into log 0.1366 values 1.866. So multiply this term, del G1 naught value is 16,010. 16,010. So 16,010 Joule. So del G1 naught is equal to, see we converted into kilojoule. So kilojoule means divided by 1000. So 60 kilojoule is formed here. 60 kilojoule is formed. And then next one del G2. So apply this value. So here log K2 value, that is 0.0367. So again minus 4.303 into 8.314 into 448 into log 0.0367 value is 1.435. So multiply these terms. So we get 12,304. No, so we get 12,312. 312 joule. So we converted into kilojoule divided by 1000. So we get 12.312 kilojoule. So del G1 naught value is 16 kilojoule and del G2 naught value is 12.312 kilojoule. So that's all for this problem. Thank you, students.